Hi, this is a quick video to show you how to use our gold solution. Our gold solution uses about 5 to 8 volts. We're using this small mini plater $59 kit to plate it. What you need to do, just put your parts in the solution for about maybe 15 to 30 seconds depending on the part. Now you can see as soon as I dip it, this part in a solution, it starts bubbling. This is a 24K industrial grade solution. Any questions, you can always give us a call at 561-594-1070. As you can see, it's already bonded. Thank you.